Ever felt that sudden, intense rush of anger behind the wheel? That feeling where you just want to lay on the horn, yell, or maybe even worse. You might call it road rage, and you might think it's just a sign of a bad day or a short temper. But what if I told you it's not just a personality flaw? There's real fascinating science happening inside your head during those moments, and understanding it can completely change how you drive. What feels like simple anger is actually a complex chain reaction. It all starts in a small, ancient part of your brain called the amygdala. This is your brain's threat detector, hardwired to keep you alive. When another car cuts you off or slams on its brakes, your amygdala doesn't see a rude driver. It sees a threat. It doesn't know the difference between a charging tiger and a swerving Toyota. It just screams danger and triggers your body's fight or flight response. This signal from your amygdala tells your body to release a flood of stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Within seconds, your heart is pounding, your muscles tense up, and your breathing gets faster. Your body is ready for a fight or a quick escape. The problem is, you're stuck in a car. You can't run, and you can't fight. All that powerful energy gets trapped inside, turning simple frustration into explosive rage. You grip the steering wheel tighter, you feel your face get hot, and your thoughts become hostile. It's your survival instinct with nowhere to go. So where's the rational part of your brain in all this? That's the prefrontal cortex, your center for decision-making and self-control. Normally, it steps in to calm down these emotional reactions. But when your stress response is on high alert, your prefrontal cortex gets temporarily sidelined. The more threatened you feel, the less access you have to your own rational thinking. This is why a small inconvenience can trigger a massive overreaction, and why you might feel embarrassed about your behavior later. In the heat of the moment, your brain's brakes simply aren't working. There's another psychological trick at play. Your brain sees your car as an extension of your personal space. When someone tailgates or cuts you off, it feels like a personal invasion, as if they stepped right into your personal bubble. We are all wired to protect our territory, and driving just amplifies that instinct. Plus, you're looking at a machine, not a person. Without eye contact or facial expressions, it's easy to dehumanize the other driver, which makes it much easier to get angry. Think about the frustration-aggression cycle. Driving is full of delays and unpredictable behavior from others. If you're already stressed from work or tired, your brain's ability to handle one more frustration is low. That car in front of you didn't cause your bad day, but it becomes the perfect target for all that pent-up tension. Psychologists call this displaced aggression. And have you ever noticed how road rage feels more intense than other types of anger? That's because driving requires constant vigilance. Your brain is already in a state of high alert just from navigating traffic. So your nervous system is already revved up. It doesn't take much to push it into overdrive. Even the noise of traffic and bright lights add to your brain's sensory load, making you more reactive. Anonymity is a huge factor, too. Inside your car, you feel hidden and protected. This feeling can lower the inhibitions that normally stop you from acting on aggressive impulses. It's the same reason people say things online they would never say to someone's face. This mix of feeling threatened, stressed, and anonymous creates the perfect storm for an emotional explosion. But here's the good news. Understanding this science gives you the power to change it. You can consciously choose to strengthen your prefrontal cortex. The moment you feel that anger rising, take a few slow, deep breaths. Loosen your grip on the wheel. This simple action sends a signal to your nervous system that you are safe, allowing the rational part of your brain to come back online. Try reframing the situation. Instead of assuming the other driver is a jerk, consider that maybe they're lost, distracted, or having a worse day than you. This shifts your brain from a threat response to an empathetic one. Humanize them, and your anger will naturally decrease. Making sure you're well rested and hydrated also makes a huge difference. A tired brain is a reactive brain. Ultimately, feeling angry on the road doesn't make you a bad person. It means you're human, with a brain designed for survival. But that brain is also wired for self-control. Every time you choose calm over chaos, you're not just making the road safer, you're strengthening your ability to manage your own mind. It's a battle between your ancient instincts and your rational self. And with a little bit of knowledge, you can win. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more insights into how your mind works. Drive safe out there.